Hello, good morning, good afternoon. I'm very excited today. I'm going to interview a lady who is her name is Marie Chris Trujillo, and she is a wonderful lady, and you will hear her story, and I will bring her up to you. But before I bring her up, let me introduce myself. I am a mother of four and grandmother of nine. And I came from Brunei with my husband Joseph. And now I'm residing in Edmonton, Alberta. Now we are proud digital business owner and mentor. Now introducing our guests to the stage.
Hello. Hi, Sis Patsy. How are you doing?
Hello, yes, we're doing fine. And can you introduce yourself further?
Yes, I am Mary Chris. I'm a fourth grade teacher here in New Mexico, USA. And I have three young adult children that are studying in college. My oldest, my son, is studying digital arts and films, third year college here in New Mexico. My second child, Rachel, is doing major in biology, second year. My oldest, his name is Ralph, and then followed by Rachel, and my youngest is Candice, and she is also major in biology, first year college. So they are my greatest why, including my husband. My husband is working in a cookware company here in New Mexico, USA. And
Mm-hmm.
I used to teach in the Philippines for 20 years. I've been teaching there, elementary and college. And then in 2017, I decided to apply here as a teacher in the USA. And I was hired in one of the school districts in Phoenix, Arizona. So I stayed and taught there for 1 year. And then after I taught there, one of my friends encouraged me and motivated me so hard to transfer in New Mexico because she also applied in New Mexico, and she told me, I'm already hired. Can you go with me so that I will not be by myself? So I told her I'm already used to teaching here in Arizona. And she told me, come on, just try. I said, okay, I will apply. If I will be hired, then I will go with you and I will go to New Mexico. Uh, Luckily, I was hired as a sixth grade teacher in New Mexico. I was able to have my license to teach in New Mexico, and I transferred there in 2018. So,
Wow.
make the story short, I got my kids from the Philippines, and then during that time, my first husband passed away because
Oh,
he's a Filipino. He had inherited the illness of his parents, and then he suffered stroke, and then he had the first and second heart attack, and then he passed away. So after that time, I got my kids and I brought them here in 2018. And then yeah, we live here already in New Mexico ever since.
yeah.
So that was in 2018. In 2020, I was remarried to my husband, Jesse, and he's the one that is working here in the cookware company. And yeah, he became a blessing to our family because, yeah, he's really a very good person, a Christian guy that loves the Lord. And yeah, he loves
Yes.
our children. And yeah, we're happily living here in New Mexico, USA. But before my journey here, it's lots of bumps on the road, a lot of challenges way back in the Philippines. I used to live paycheck to paycheck. I used to have a lot of loans. I used to be working more than 10 hours a day because before I used to teach in a private school in the Philippines for 10 years. And then I transferred to the public school teaching sixth grade, and then after that, since in the public school, I taught only for half day. So when I
Mhm.
go out, I started from 5:45 in the morning until 12:20 in the afternoon. After that, I go right away to the college where I need to teach college students. So I'm doing that part time as a college instructor so that I can also support and pay our bills. I sent our three kids to a private school, and in the Philippines, if you are sending your kids to a private school, it the tuition fee, the books, and all those other miscellaneous expenses, it's really high. And I have three kids. That is why I did all those. I did part-time in college. I am teaching English language arts and science in for my sixth graders in the morning, and in the afternoon until 6:30 in the evening, I'm teaching the college students. So that has been my journey for 20 years. And then I was also given the chance to be a school principal in the Philippines in one of the private schools in the Philippines. So that is my experience. And yeah, I'm it's just I did not just settle for just living paycheck to paycheck. I have a friend who applied in Arizona, and she was the one who inspired me to apply also as a teacher. So I applied, I got hired, and then in 2017, I flew to Phoenix, Arizona from the Philippines to Phoenix, Arizona, and I taught there. And then I got my kids in 2018. Yeah,
Yes.
it's a
Lots
lot
of
of things going
happening.
on, a lot of challenges, but when your greatest why is greater than your fears, you will keep going. You will not just be you will not just be there worrying and having all those exhaustion and stress because it's a matter of mindset. So
Yes, yes.
so
So
that is my experience before and for
thank
20
you for
years
telling
that
me
I've
all
been
this.
teaching.
Yes. And are you ready for the question now?
Yes.
Okay, I will start from the beginning. Yeah, the first question: um, you have been in 20 years of teaching experience both in the Philippines and now USA, which shows incredible dedication and passion for education. Can you share that journey has been like for you and what inspired you to start exploring in the online space while continuing your teaching career?
Yes, thank you for that question, Sis Patsy. My journey in the Philippines, 20 years teaching there, and I've been teaching here for 9 years in the USA, 1 year in Arizona, and 8 years here in New Mexico. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
it's really a journey, and I enjoy the journey. I transferred there in USA as an immigrant, but I did not just stay there. You know, I've been teaching here, but I just experienced that I'm still living paycheck to paycheck. I just um I just transferred place from the Philippines to the USA, but I can feel that the bills are high here, the cost of living is high, and I just transferred a place, but I'm still living paycheck to paycheck. My salary as a teacher is just really enough to pay the bills, and I'm still supporting my mom who is still in the Philippines, and my kids are studying in college, so we have really a lot of expenses. But I was really praying to the Lord if he can give me something. I don't know what it is. I said an opportunity that will that will be a gateway so that I will be able to not just to stay and wait for retirement in teaching in the public school because I'm teaching in the public school here in New Mexico. So yeah, you know, there's one afternoon that I went home from school very tired, very stressed, very exhausted. I was given two combined classes. That year,
Oh,
yes, that was the year when I was given to combined classes because the other teacher from the other third grade class, she decided to resign and go back to her previous school district. So all her students were were placed and were given all to me. So I have really
Oh,
class like 30 students in one class. And in here in the USA, if you are teaching that many students, it's already a lot because of course kids here in the US they have a different background, they have different upbringings, and yeah, it's already a huge class. So I had that one, and it's hard. I always feel a back pain. I always feel very tired and exhausted every day. So one afternoon I was really praying for any opportunity that will open my yeah, a gateway, so that I'll told myself, if this will happen every year, and it happened again the following year, a big class again. So I said, oh no, what I don't like that it's always a big class, and it really, I always feel sick. I always feel
no.
exhausted, and I don't
Affecting
want
your
it
health,
to
huh?
happen to me. So that afternoon, maybe the Lord heard my prayer, and I was able to see why when I got home that afternoon, almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon, I was given to combined classes, very stressed every day, and I was relaxing in our living room, and I was able to see a video ad from a young mom with two kids, two young kids, and then I was able to hear her story. I was very
Oh,
inspired. I was very inspired to hear her story because she was telling in her video that she's doing this very, very amazing digital business online while she is taking care of her two young kids. I said, wow, if she was able to do it, maybe I can do it too. So
yes.
I said, "Oh no, this might be the opportunity that I've been waiting for." So what I did, I clicked her website. I did not contact her yet. I clicked her website. I registered by myself with my name and email so that I can access to the webinar because it says there either to message me or to click for the link for the website so that you can register for the 90-minute webinar. I did not waste my time. I clicked and I registered for the 90-minute webinar, and I watched it while I was relaxing in our living room. I was able to watch. I watched it fully for 90 minutes, and I was able to see the I was able to hear the success stories of those people in the webinar. I did not fully understand first about the background information of the business because it's too vague for me because I really don't have any background information, background experience about digital business. And yeah, but I was inspired and motivated when I heard the success stories of people all over the world that were special guests during that life-changing webinar that afternoon. So I was so inspired. I said, wow, there's a great potential that I can also do this business. So I told myself, and I heard one of the ladies that shared her success story. I think she's already like in her 60s, late 60s. And she said she's not even tech savvy and she's doing this business successfully. And yeah,
Oh,
she was able to do this business even if she's not tech savvy with no business experience and everything. I said, if she was able to do it, I can do it too. So what I did, yeah, this might be the opportunity that I've been waiting for. So yeah, I continued watching it. And after I watched, I said, this is really for me. If those people that are not tech savvy and have no business experience, and those people that are, while they are taking care of their kids and they can do this business, maybe I can use my small pockets of time when I go out of school and during my lunch break to do this business. So what I did,
yes.
it says there after I watched the webinar that if you want to continue, you need to pay for the 149. So I did. I got my credit card and I paid the $149 and I continued. I said, yeah, I'm really decisive. I really can feel it that this is the business that is the gateway for me, not to wait for my retirement at the age of 65 or at the age of 66, like my co-teachers also. Because Sis Patsy, I was able to
Yes.
reflect. When I have co-teachers that were already retired, they are already in their late 60s, and some are already 70 plus, and then they retired already, and then they came back to school. And then when I asked them, why did you come back? You already retired. And they told me it's because the pension from the Social Security is not enough. And my kids, I cannot ask money from them or help because they also have their own families. They have also their own
Yes.
children to support. So I said, oh no, I was able to reflect that day. I said, I don't want also that I will already retired and then I'll come back because my pay, my pension is not enough. I said, no way. If I will retire, I will not come back and teach again
Mm.
because my pay, my pension is not enough. That is what I
Yes.
told that day for to myself, because I said, no way, no, I will not do this. I need really to do something that will give me additional extra income. At the very start, I want only as an extra $200 to $500 a month. But it's not just that amount that was given to me by this business later on that I will continue to tell you while I'm doing and explaining and narrating my journey. you know this business gives me that opportunity. This business really is the gateway, because if I did not find this business, I will still wait until 65 to 66 years old before I can retire, and that is a very long time to wait. So yeah, that
Yeah.
is my journey before I had this business, before I found this business, living paycheck to paycheck. A teacher really does not get a very high pay. Unlike engineers, doctors, nurses, they get a higher pay than teachers. So that is why me, as a teacher, I need to find ways to have extra income for my family. I need to
Mm.
find ways so that I will be able to support my kids that are studying in college. I need to find ways also to pay my loans that I was able to get those loans because of when I get my kids here. Yeah, it's a lot of money to pay their
Yes. Yes.
expenses to come here to America. So
Mhm.
yeah, that is my answer, Sis Patty, for question number one. Thank you for
Yeah.
answering the
Now
question.
you partly answered question number two.
Okay.
What was the turning point when you decided you don't want to wait until the traditional retirement age and instead pursue early retirement through building an online business? And you have answered most of the question. You see it, now that explained to me. I really admire your stamina and your zeal. And you paid your 149 is 30-day refundable, is it? 30
Yes.
days you can refund, but you
Hmm.
decided that that is for you and you pursue it, yeah? It is worth it. That is what, huh?
Yes.
Uh, and since you answered this already, we go to the next question, okay?
Yes.
From your experience, what would you say to someone who wants more time and financial freedom and is unsure about stepping outside their comfort zone?
Yes. Thank you for that question, Sis Patsy. Yes, from my experience, I can recommend a lot of things. I want to let them know how valuable is this business, how this business changed the lives of people all over the world. So if you are someone who wants more time and financial freedom, but is unsure about stepping outside of your comfort zone, this is it. This is the sign. This is the business that is very legit. From Canada, they get their T4. When you have this business, that is really a proof that this business is legit, because you cannot get that one if you don't have a legit business. Here in America, we get the 1099 form as a proof of income from our business. That means we are paying our taxes when we are doing our business. And that's a proof that our business is legit. Our business expenses, guys, are taxable. All the expenses that I have in this business, when I bought my desktop, my laptop, my ring light, when I bought something related to the business, whatever gadget it is, phone, phone bill, whatever it is related to the business, including the
Yes.
advertisement and everything, yes, those are taxable expenses. So, what do you mean by taxable expenses? It means you are going to get it as tax refund. You can file them as business expenses. And the tax office will give you back the money that you have spent for your business expenses. So that is the first thing that you are going to see, because a legit business do not give tax refund. But our business, I'm very proud to say, our business, our digital business, yes, it is very legit, 100% legit. And yeah, we are paying our taxes every year. So that is what I want to tell you, so that if you want more time and financial freedom, you need to do a business like this that is very legit, and you will not be scared to start, because we have mentors and coaches that will guide you, that will teach you, that will mentor you. You will not be by yourself. The people in the business community, in your small team, and also in the big business community, yes, we have all the support 100%. We are given even the training site, the best training site in the world, that is giving us all video based trainings, that you will not be scared to do the training, because everything is already there. All all the blueprint of this business is already there. Everything is already there. All you need to do is to follow the blueprint, follow the what is in the training site, that they are video based, and they are organized accordingly from the first, second, up to the last topic or training that you're gonna learn there. So there's really nothing to lose. Even to pay the 149, I spent 149 or even more than that when we go out to eat dinner with the whole family.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, that is why your 149, that is more than enough, because all all the training site, all the other things that you gonna access with the 149, it's a lifetime access. And it's really a very good opportunity, because when you do coaching and training with other businesses, you will spend from $1,000 to $20,000 or more for 1 year, and it does not even cover all the trainings. But our training site, it covers everything. It gives us everything, so that you will not be scared to start. And yeah, we are supporting here each other. So so if you are wanting more time and financial freedom, this is the business that I would like to recommend you. Go out of your comfort zone, because if you will just stay there in your 9 to 5 job, and you are not starting or building something that will that you will thank you later on in the future, in a few years time, yeah, you will just be stuck there in your 9 to 5 job. Me, I don't want to be stuck in my 9 to 5 job. That is why I'm building this business while I'm still teaching full time in my 9 to 5 teaching job, because you can always do it even with your small pockets of time. So yeah, I'm already halfway there. Very close, closer, and getting closer every day. Why? Because of my consistency and persistence. So you just really need to go out of your comfort zone and try. Because if you will not take the risk, do you want still to stay in the life that you have 10 to 20 years ago, that you are living paycheck to paycheck? Guys, there are lots of testimonies in this business all over the world on how their lives are changed. Those people that were ahead of us, they are already enjoying time freedom and financial freedom because of this business. The the income that you will get from this business is not just three figures. We're getting here from four figures in dollars. until seven figures in dollars in one payday. So what are you waiting for? Try. And because if you are not going to try, there's nothing that will happen to your life, and you will just be stuck in your 9 to 5 job. And I don't want that to happen to you. So yeah, if you want to connect with Sis Patsy will give you the information and will register you in her website so that you will have valuable information and you can decide for yourself if this business will work for you. This business had helped already a lot of people. This business is designed for busy people. So if you are very busy like me, always doing multitasking, yes, this is the business for you because this runs on automation. You will not be scared. You will not be looking at it and running it 24/7. It even runs while you are sleeping, while you are working, where you are spending quality time with your family. You can do all those things while your business is running 24/7 on automation. So that is one of the advantages. And guys, aside from you will get the financial gain of this business, and aside from I also gain self-confidence because of this business. Before, you cannot let me talk in a live interview because I'm scared. I don't know what to say. But now because of this business, I gain a lot of self-confidence. Now I can talk to people anywhere in the world. I interviewed people that are already successful in this business, and I'm not scared at all because it builds my confidence. And from also being a negative thinker, I gain a lot of positivity in this business. We have a lot of trainings that will let you gain and empowered you with a lot of positivity. And that cannot be bought by money. That is very priceless. So there are lots of things that you can gain from this business, not only the financial one. And later on, because before I just used to think of the financial gain that I'll get from this business. Honestly, that's my first goal in joining the business. But later on, as I've been in more than 3 years in this business, I was able to realize that the people that are joining in my business that I'm mentoring all over the USA, Italy, and Philippines, they are the ones that are working like me, working moms, teachers that are working hard but living paycheck to paycheck. Those are the people, working parents like me, that are also struggling, that are still stuck in their 9 to 5 job. And I find my mission, that is my mission to help them as well. So yeah, there are lots of things that you can gain in a business opportunity like this. And if you want to see what I'm talking about, and if you're curious right now, and there's a tug in your heart, and there's something in your mind that you want to try it, that you're interested, contact Sis Patsy, and yeah, register in her website because there's nothing to lose, guys. There's everything to gain in this business. And this might be your gateway to early retirement. Me, I'm halfway there to my goal for early retirement. You just need to show up every day. And I would like to let you know that this is not a get rich quick scheme. You need to do also your effort. If you will not do effort, even in your own traditional business or even in your own job, if you will not work, no pay. Same with the business, you need also to show up every day and do your persistence, hard work, and consistency because that will gauge you to go higher and achieve closer to your goals. So yeah, what are you waiting for? Go out of your comfort zone and click that button and go to Sis Patsy's website and try. If you will not try and you're scared and you will not take the risk, well, nothing will happen to you because sometimes you are only one decision away from the life that you dream of. And this is the gateway, the legit, the the one that has the blueprint and everything. Yeah, everything is in here. That is why I'm very proud of my business, and I'm also proud of helping my mentees all over the world. And yeah, I'm just so happy that I found my mission of helping moms and working parents and working professionals like me. Thank you so much, Sis Patsy, for inviting me.
Yes, and thank you so much for the all the nuggets that we got today. That you are given us a lot of advice and golden advice. And let's see who has been loving our conversation. Sandy Caballero and also Elvira Fernandez Belawati. Thank you so much, Sandy and Elvira, for watching and liking. And I say comment and a comment. Hi, Marie Chris and Patsy. You are watching for Surrey, BC. And
Well,
also,
thank you, Coach Sandy.
yeah,
Thank you so much for watching.
yeah.
Sis Elvira, thank
Elvira
you so
Fernandez
much
also. Thank you
for
so
watching
much.
our live.
Yes,
Thank you so much for all your support.
yes. So that's all. That's all that for today. And we will say goodbye to you. Please learn from our the host, the guest, Mary Chris, and we'll learn from her. Thank you. Thank you very much for saying yes to me. It's a
You're
pleasure. Huh?
welcome, sis. As always, I'm just a one message away.
Okay. Bye, Audie. Bye. Happy
Bye,
today's
guys.
happy Friday and happy Saturday for some. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.